Hello, in this video I am going to show you how you can change the Notepad theme of Windows 11. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first we need to open Notepad. I'm going to click Start menu of our Windows 11 machine and then start typing Notepad. Once I start typing note or something, we'll see Notepad application is there. We just need to open it and we'll see like this. Now we are planning to change the theme of this Notepad software, right? So to change this thing, at first we need to click this gear icon which is called settings. I'm going to click it and it will be expanded like this type of window. And on the top under the settings, we'll find appearance and there is F theme. That means application theme is there. We need to click this arrow to expand it. So I'm going to click it and it will be expanded. And now it is giving us three options: light, dark, and use system settings. So if it is use system settings, then the default theme of the current system it will be applied. And if you want the dark theme, then we have to click this one, and you will see the Notepad theme has been changed. Once you are happy, then you can press this back button to go back to the Notepad, and you will see that the Notepad is using the dark theme. And that's it, guys. In this way we can easily change the theme of Notepad to dark mode or dark theme. Thank you guys for watching the video.